to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Some little dreaming, riding in a bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool on your friends. Slip a city with your
Hi guys, what's up, it's JeanitaBlue, and today I'm here to talk you through how to make a frontal closure DIY wig in less than 1 hour. I'm going to walk you through the process. I do have my laptop here, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. Guys, so first you're going to need a wig cap. I like to get the stretchy ones. You need some thread, some push pins. You can find them for like $2-3 below, and you also need a curve hook. I'll actually put all these items down below. Now I did go ahead and customize my foam head to fit my head size, and I'll be using Power Hair Collection hair. If you have a big head like me that frontal doesn't work, look at this video right here so I can show you how you can make your cap bigger. The closure I'm applying is super soft and silky. I'm just taking T-pins and I am pinning each corner of the closure down on top of the wig head. Okay, after you do that, you want to braid the hair or put it in a ponytail if you're not a good braider, and just get the extra hair out the way. Next, I'm going in with my thread and I am sewing from the very base of the frontal with the very base of the wig cap. Go as neatly and as tightly as possible. So the trick to this is to having this frontal lay seamless like this, lay flat like this, not look bumpy at all. I lay one side down at the top and then I sew the other side down. After that, I go ahead and I sew the back down. Both these sides are equal, and then I lay the back. With that secret, now you know how to do it the proper way. Okay, now I'm going to be working with 3 bundles of hair, okay, and I'm going to sew this hair in faster than you can say Mississippi, okay. So I'm going to start with my longest bundle, which is going to be a 20-inch here, and I am going to be doubling my wefts. So I start at one end and I put a push pin in it and put it at the nape of my wig, and then I also go ahead and I do the same thing on the other side, making sure that the very first needle that I install is really tight. So you want to tie a knot on the first one and then just go in and just loop. You already know where you're going. You already know where the next stitch is going to be. You already know when this is going to end. So just go as smoothly as possible to get from one side to the other. And then after you finish that step, take your weft and then you want to flip that over. Don't worry about cutting it in. This way you can get as much hair in at a faster rate. If this is your first wig and you're sort of a slow sewer, you'll get used to it, and the more and more you go, the more natural that it will become. So think the first bundle should be at the base of your hair right here. The second bundle will be all in this area, and then the third bundle will support the area around the closure. But as you can see, I am still applying my push pin into my tracks, applying it to the next place it's going to be, and sometimes I like to add one in the middle to add extra security, and then I just go in and I sew and I sew and I sew until I can't sew anymore, and until that bundle is fully installed. So that's what you see me doing here. Now I'm here to my last bundle, my 16-inch. And you do not want to double these tracks because you don't want a big lump right here. You want this to be as seamless as possible. In addition to this, so I don't have my closure, empty space, and then tracks, I sew my very last track with my frontals. Nice, tight, and seamless, so there's no lumps and no bumps. Get some scissors and you want to cut the cap underneath your closure. I really just love Power Hair Collection. Like, the hair quality is absolutely amazing. So let me know if you're able to complete the challenge. I complete mine in less than an hour. If you can do the same thing, comment down below. My name is JeanitaBlue. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, be you. Ciao.